Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today this is a video on the HOTO spin brush, cordless spin brush. One is the original one that I have. I did do a review on, and this is the Flex, which I did just a review a few days ago, and I told you I was going to do a comparison video, just go over the features and benefits about each one of these. If you didn't see that review, definitely check out the review for this one and check out the review for this one. You be the judge, basically. So I just want to show you what's included in each one of these kits, what is in here. That way you get an idea, and I'll give you just my thoughts and pros and cons about each one of these. So the original one I've had for about maybe almost a year now, 8 months. Like it very much. It's cool, fits in the hand very, very well. It's got plenty of power, works well. It's got 2 speeds. It's just like the Flex, same thing. Got 2 speeds, 1, 2. Hold it down for off. The heads, we'll just go over these things one at a time. So you got that, you got all the brush attachments, everything's all in here. You got the sponge, you got the fluffy thingy here, buffer, you got the scrubbers, all kinds of pads that come with it. Just like the Flex, this comes with its own set of pads as well. It does come with its own carrying case as well, and it comes with its own stick. A Flex stick, okay? And both these sticks have the exact same reach, pretty much within maybe a few centimeters, not much, very, very close. So the main difference is off the bat is that it doesn't have the power indicator here, so it doesn't tell you how much battery is left on this. They have the same waterproof thing, same connection in the back here, same screw-on connection. All that's the same. This one is a little bit smaller. Look at the profile difference between these two, between the original and the Flex. Now, the Flex is a lot bigger. You can just see the Flex is a lot bigger than the original. It's a lot bigger. It's a lot larger. So that could be a pro or a con depending on what you do and who you are. This already has a predetermined angle already, so you have to use this angle no matter what. The handle does not have a remote control. This one has a remote control. You could turn the brush on and off from the handle. This one you have to use the actual device itself to turn it on and off. The brushes are a lot smaller on the older one. There's a comparison right here. This is the old one. Here's the new one. The brush is a lot larger. Even the pad, even the actual pad, the hook and loop pad is a lot larger. You can see that the difference. This is the Flex. This is the original, a lot larger, and all the pads are a lot larger. So you can just see the comparison on these pads here. You can see the difference here. Let me just show you. This one here is a lot larger, maybe about 15% larger. And then if you want to compare it to the other pads, a lot larger. So you can just see there is a difference overall. I have to tell you, I do like this one a lot. I have to say 100%. I mean, I love this one. It works great. But I do like this one a little bit better because it has the Flex. Now, what does the Flex mean? You want to know what that means? That you press this button down, you have 5 different settings you can adjust. So you can either do straight, you can do angles, 45, 90 degrees. This way you can adjust the angle. That's a positive in my book. A negative is it's a little bit fatter than the original. A little bit fatter. I don't know if you can really tell. Not a lot, but it is a little bit fatter. I get my hands a little bit, maybe because it's more top heavy. I'm not really sure. This does move a little bit like that. Hopefully that'll hold up over time. I don't know. We'll find out. This one here is fixed. You can see the difference. So one is a lot larger. One's a little bit smaller, larger. Does have the Flex. This does have the power indicator on the Flex. Now if you hold it down button, you can see here, 95% has a high and low. And so economy, max. Hold the button down, shut it off. I did a bunch of cleaning. It was at 100. Now it's at 95%. So it really holds up quite well. I think it might even have a larger battery. That's possible because it is a larger device. So I'm thinking it has a larger battery in it. All the attachments seem to be bigger. I like this round brush. I like this brush here. If you watch my reviews, you'll see how I've cleaned corners of the sink and cleaned different things with this like a 3/4 brush. Versus they only give you these 2 other brushes here. They come with that as well with the old one. So that's the comparison for that. It does come with this. This is a similar brush. And this one, this has been used. This is new. You can see how much I use this one a lot. Cleaning the bathrooms, things like that. Overall, these pads here, this is a sponge pad. These come with some nice sponge pads with the hook and loop connection. Really easy to use. This is a scouring pad here. This is a little bit. So if you want to clean your let's say your top of your glass stove, you have one of those glass stoves. You put that cleaner on, use this, and scrub that glass stove. That's what I would use this on, something like that, or some pots and pans, things like that. These are sponges, a little bit softer, so you get the idea. So there's a lot of things you can do with it, a lot of things you can use with it. But I overall think I like the Flex better. So that's just my opinion. That's just my review. It has a better quality. You get the 5 different pivot angles. You like that. It just has a little bit more control, has a little bit more power. And another thing that's important is that this original one, and if you have this one, you know what I'm talking about, they have a clip connect. Okay, I'm not going to call it quick connect. I'm going to call it clip connect. So you have to push this down, push this in, and that snaps right in there. You see that? Now, to release it, you have to hold this button down to release it, okay? So it snaps in like that, but you have to hold the button down to release it. The new one, and I do like this a lot, it has a magnet. So magnet's always cool. Just pop it on. You don't have to disconnect it. You just pop it off. Push it on, pop it off. Super easy. So I do like that. That is an improvement in my book. And like I said, watch the 2 videos. I'm going to place these at the end of this video. You're going to see the 2 different ones, and you can see those full reviews and decide for yourself which one you like better. But I just want to bring this to you and just show you what I think. I love this quick connect. I think that's fantastic. And one more thing is that the other one, this one has, and the other one does not have, is that here are the 2 wands. Okay, here are the 2 wands. One has a built-in either Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, however they're connecting it. It must be Bluetooth or wireless. They have a button right here. This turns it on and off. You don't have to bend down to turn it on and off. This one you do. This one has so this has some improvements here. You got the magnet, you got the wireless control, you have the Flex. So they definitely brought the value up quite a bit, and the price point's about the same. So that to me is a fantastic thing. So definitely HOTO, you did a great job with the update and the upgrades. I'm a fan. I use your products all the time when I clean. I think it makes your daily cleaning a lot easier. I like the improvements. We'll see how it holds up over time. And I do like the flexibility. Like you can buff your car. You can do all kinds of things. Just pop this on. You want to pop this on here, boom, and you're all set to go. Press the power on once, and you're good. You can start buffing your car. You can wax. You can buff your car. Cool, right? Pull it down, shut it off. It just pops right off. Hook and loop, super easy, magnet connection, and I think this is fantastic. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this comparison video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Also, leave me some comments down below. Which one do you like better? Which one do you prefer, the original or the new Flex? Let me know down below which one you like better. It means a lot to me. And also, if you like and share and subscribe to the channel, that means a lot to me too. Now, there will be an affiliate link for each one of these down below. It just costs you nothing. If you're interested in purchasing either one of these products, go ahead, take a look at the videos. Make your decisions, and if you go ahead, if you do use my link, it costs you nothing, and it does help out the channel and just support me, and I really do appreciate that. So hope you enjoy, and hope you enjoy the cleaning and the flexibility that the Flex has, or the original. Totally up to you. Either way, you can't go wrong. It's a little bit small, maybe for a woman it might be better. I don't know, but even for a guy, this is beefy. This is beefy. It feels really, really heavy and beefy. So I like the way it feels in the hand, but you can see I got a pretty good sized hand, and it's how they get around that. This one here is a little bit more, I can grab it a little bit better. So it all depends on what you like. And that's it. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this comparison. Don't forget to watch the video for the total reviews, full reviews, and I appreciate your time as always.